Hi, it's Vias Tarot. Hello, all signs. So, check natin. This is weekly. Okay. Weekly check-ins. Okay. Energy check-ins per week. So, for the rest, okay, of the week. So, let's see kung anong meron. So, messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay. So, yun po ang ating titingnan. Okay, ngayong week na ito. Oo. So, again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayong maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yes po, kung may tanong pagdating po sa ating mga sa ating private reading, sa ating mga items, so yes, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Okay, so yeah, meron tayong mga protection from evil eye, meron din tayong for love and money, meron din tayong to grant, okay, kung ano man yung mga minamanifest ninyo, and syempre meron tayong pang-alis, MALAS, pang-alis alat. Okay, so meron tayo nyan. So just message na lang po sa akin pong FB page for more info. And meron tayong pang-cleanse pala. Okay, pang-cleansing and pang-recharge po no ng ating mga charms and crystals. Meron din tayo nun. So, message na lang po if you're interested. Okay. So, let's see what's for our air signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua for this week. Okay. May 3 of Cups akong nakita na naka-reverse. Anyway, so ano bang meron for you air signs this coming week? Wish fulfillment. This is a nice card, no? Okay, so I think kung ano man yung hinihingi mo, hinihiling mo, pwedeng ngayong week makuha mo. Claim it. Ilak natin to. Ilak natin tong card na to, tong 9 of Cups. Ang ipanglalak natin kung ano man ito, ito na lang, itong ating 2-in-1, okay, for love and money, if ever, if this is talking about happiness, material things. So ito ang ating panglalak. So the 9 of Cups, wish fulfillment. Okay, what's that? Uy, ang ganda. The 8 of Swords in reversed. So, this is energy ng parang uplifting. Okay, so maalis ka sa kung anumang stress or ikaw ay naghihintay kasi may maibibigay this week. Okay, material man yan, kung ano man. Okay, so kung ano man yung hinihingi or hinihiling, pwede ngayong week makuha mo. Okay? This is nice. And this is good. Energy na something good lang, something positive lang. Okay? So, what else? Yeah, see? Kita nyo, may ibinibigay. There is something ibibigay sa'yo. Kung ano man siguro yung pinagdarasal mo, minamanifest mo. So, siguro, this week magiging maganda. Okay, ang energy for you. Magiging maganda. So, claim mo na yon. Iba sa inyo, parang merong ibibigay like money, bayad, if ever. What is, or iba sa inyo, pwedeng meron kayong mabibili na parang gusto mo. Temperance, universe. Yeah, meron ditong hindi ka na maghihintay eh. Hindi ka na maghihintay. Agad-agad to this coming week. Kung ano man yan. I-claim nyo na darating yan ngayong week. Okay? The 5 of Pentacles. What's with that 5 of Pentacles? And the Queen of Swords in the reverse. Huwag kayong matatakot pagdating sa finance ninyo ngayong week. Okay? You have here the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, anong meron? Kasi parang may something dito pagdating sa pera. Yeah, the Ten of Pentacles. Hindi ko alam kung medyo slow lang yung pumapasok na pera. Okay, or parang hindi ganon kagandahan. Okay, let's see anong meron. Anong kailangan mong malaman? Pero universe is at your side. The Three of Swords and the Page of Wands. Okay, Justice. Iba sa inyo, this is like ang tinutukoy ay something na parang usapan. Okay, usapan. Pwedeng ito ay mafi-fix. Okay, or pwedeng may mga mapapag-usapan pagdating sa pera dito. Okay, meron ako nakukuhang energy na parang takot. Natatakot. Or takot maiwan, I don't know. Ano bang meron? Yeah, again, the Justice in reverse. Don't worry, you have these. Okay, the Ace of Pentacles. So, ito, tinabihan na siya ni Wheel of Fortune. There's something good coming in this week for you. Okay? Yung iba dito, parang merong mga maaalis. And I don't know. Sa specific na nakikita ko dito, this is talking about legal issues. Okay? So, siguro kung ano man yung mga legal na issue na meron sa inyo sa ngayon, may chance na parang sabihin nating ikaw yung papanigan. Okay? Meron kasi itong parang takot humarap. Okay? Takot humarap. Avoid ninyo na parang lalo na si Libra. Okay? Lalo na si Libra. Or maybe if you're dealing with a Libra, huwag nyong hayaan na bumaba ang frequency ninyo pagdating sa kaperahan kasi nandyan yung magandang papasok. I'm seeing na medyo merong hindi ganoon kagandahan na pasok ng pera sa iba sa inyo, pero huwag nyong hayaang i-welcome nyo ng i-welcome yun. Mas maganda na parang just be positive kasi meron parating yan. Okay? Sabihin nating mas malaki. Mas malaki. So, okay? So, there. Next. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. What is for our fire signs for this week? Okay, fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sag. Messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay. Ngayong week na parating. Let's see, anong meron? The Six of Swords. And the Three of Pentacles. So I'm hearing pag-uusap, no? Pagdating po sa pwedeng plano ito. Okay, plano, meetings ngayong week. Yeah, the Page of Wands. May mga masisimulan, may mga mapapag-usapan, may mga mabubuo. Okay, na kung ano man sabihin nating plano. Okay? So, this is nice though. Okay. New management. I'm hearing new management. Ano tong Six of Swords? Yeah, the Knight of Swords. So, may implement agad kung ano man ito. Some of it is talking about regarding sa workplace. Okay. What else for fire signs? Ten of Cups. Okay, the Knight of Cups. Mayroong mag-aanyaya na lumabas. See? I don't know kung kung i-accept mo or i-reject mo. Okay? May mag-aanyayang lumabas. Maybe kasama ang family. Okay? Yeah, labas tayo. I'm hearing somebody's birthday. Celebration, I'm seeing here. Celebration. Okay? Meron din dito ako nakikita na pwedeng merong ito parang may papakilala sa family. May ipapakilala sa family. Okay? That's specific. What else? Okay, the Ten of Wands. Excuse me, what's with this? Kung sino man itong hindi mo kausap, iniisip ka ngayon. So, meron, no? Oo, meron agad pumasok sa utak mo. Okay. They're afraid to reach you out. Yeah, they want to communicate. Kung sino man po, yung hindi nyo nakakausap ngayon, by next week, tatakbo ka sa utak ng taong to. Takot sila na mag-reach out sa'yo. Yeah, hindi nila alam kung paano. Takot sila na ma-reject mo if ever. Yan, mga ganyan. Okay? So, I don't know kung nagkaroon kayo ng detachments or separation whatsoever doon sa tao. Okay? So, yun lang. So, next. Water signs. Okay. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Let's see. What is for our water signs? Okay, sumakit bigla ulo ko. Ay, grabe. Okay, so water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay, kung anong meron this week. Anong meron? Let's see. Seven of Cups. Being busy, some of you. Being busy. May mga pagpili rin ako nakikita. Multitasking. The Nine of Swords in reversed. Somebody is pwedeng naghahanda pagdating sa'yo, water sign. Naghahanda siya. Yeah, the Page of Pentacles. They have something to give you. They have something for you. Na may namimili dito. And parang tinitingnan niya maigi kung anong magugustuhan mo eh. That's specific. Yeah. So, hindi ko natitingnan kung sino. Pero, some of you, may chance na makakuha ng something na sa tingin ko magugustuhan mo. Okay? Kasi, itong taong to, pwedeng nagpe-prepare eh. Matagal niyang pinag-isipan or matagal niyang pinag-preparean. Yeah. The Page of Pentacles. They have something for you. An offer for some of you. What's with this Page of Pentacles? Ooh, the World. An offer. Some of it is like an invitation to travel. Ooh, ganda. Okay, to travel. An offer. Some of you, there could be, yeah, an offer in general. Yung iba dito, pwede makakuha ng isang mensahe galing sa isang kakilala mo na pwedeng malayo sa'yo or nasa ibang bansa. Eight of Swords. And the Nine of Wands. Somebody will share their secrets with you this week. Somebody will share their secrets. I don't know if this is talking about a secret or their situation. They will share their kung ano man na experience nila. Okay? Para kasing sa'yo lang siya pwedeng makahingay eh. Pwedeng makaramdam ng comfort, mga ganyang bagay. Yeah, the Hanged Man in reversed. Problemado tong taong to. Yeah, they see strength sa'yo. Okay? Problemado siya. Pwedeng sa'yo lang siya maglalabas ng kung anumang mga hinanaing at hinanakit. Yes, okay? Regarding their work, maybe. Regarding sa work nila. Pwede, I don't know, if they're like looking for work, pero hindi pa nakakahanap ng work, that's specific, not for all. Iba sa inyo makakuha ka ng mensahe mula sa employer mo sa ibang bansa. There could be another offer. Okay? A contract maybe this week. Okay? So there. So next is our earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Anong meron for our earth signs this coming week? Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. What is for you? Okay. Ooh, the Three of Cups. This is occasion, this is victory, success, celebration, mga ganyang bagay, going out with your friends, parang ganyan. Okay, this is nice. Okay, para sa first card mo, the Three of Cups, the Nine of Wands. What's with this Nine of Wands? The Sun in reversed. There could be a surprise. Okay, a surprise na pwedeng manggagaling from a friend. Maybe colleague, mga ganyang bagay. Okay, and meron din ako dito nakikita. Oh my gosh. Third party. Okay. Third party connection, or sabihin natin a secret affair. So, what's with this secret affair? Anong kailangan nating malaman dito? Or there could be somebody na pwedeng, a friend of yours na parang there's something, they have something. Okay, maybe they're into you, pero yun nga, hindi nila para sabihin. Pwedeng may mga mapapansin ka. Okay, this week. Pwedeng may mga mapapansin ka, like awkward feelings. Okay, mga ganun. So, pagdating doon sa third part, ano kailangan nating malaman? The Queen of Cups in reversed. Conditional. So, ano ko dito is conditional, not unconditional love. So, meaning to say, there's always may kapalit every time, no? Anyway, pwede nga mag-share sa'yo isang woman. Somebody na pwedeng nag-embodied siya ng water sign, or sabihin nating feminine side. So, what else for our earth signs this week? Okay, the Three of Wands. Expectations. Somebody is waiting. Ooh, are you waiting for money? Some of you may chance na dumating itong magandang energy ng kaperahan. Ating ilak to. Okay, ilak natin to sa pamamagitan ng ating 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. Okay, I don't know if you're single and waiting for somebody na makakonect this week. May chance rin yan. Okay, so ating ilak ng 2-in-1 love and money, and eto si grantor. Okay, so si grantor, iba sa inyo pwedeng meron kayo ina-expect big money this week. Ilak natin yan. Okay, claim nyo na to. I-claim nyo na, mine nyo na, o diba? Sabi nga, mine nyo na yung energy na yan. Okay, and this is free. So, what else? What else? This week for our earth signs. Woo! Success, victory. The Six of Wands. So, meron tayong 6 and 3. So, this is 9 of Wands. So, nakita natin yung 9 of Wands dito. Some of you, if this is talking about your plano, okay, tago mo muna. Ayan o, may sun na naka-reverse. Itago nyo daw muna. Huwag nyo masyadong ipaalam sa ibang tao kung anong meron sa'yo, mga ganyang bagay. Okay? Mas maganda po. Ano tong 6 of Wands? Yeah, the Two of Cups in reverse. Huwag nyo munang ipapaalam. Huwag nyo munang isi-share whatsoever. Okay? Madaling mag-judge ang mga tao. Okay? So, madaling magsabi ng kung ano man. Pwedeng hindi sila pumayag. Pwedeng hindi sila maki-oo sa mga kagustuhan mo. Mga ganong bagay. So, iiwasan lang natin yon. Mas maganda, maging quiet na lang muna tayo. No? Oo. So, what's with this Two of Cups in reverse? Yeah. Oh, diba? The King of Swords in reverse. Kasi pwedeng hindi nila gusto eh. Yung mga gusto mo. Okay? So, we have here the Ten of Pentacles. Ten of Pentacles na naka-reversed. The Devil is here. Medyo may ganit. Yeah. Iba sa inyo, nakakaranas ng ganit ngayon sa pera, aren't you? The World in reversed. May kaunting kaganitan. Kailangan lang pong dumaan sa lubak. Okay? Ngayon ay nasa lubak tayo, mga earth sign. Pero next week, magiging okay na rin to. Meron tayong maganda ditong energy na nakuha pagdating sa kaperahan. Okay? So, again, the Ten of Pentacles and the King of Pentacles. See, o siguro iba sa inyo, pwedeng I don't know, ito pwedeng may nangyaring pag-spend nung nakaraan, okay, and naging dahilan yun ng parang medyo pagbaba ng energy pagdating po sa frequency sa pera ng iba sa inyo. Parang napansin nyo, ba't ganun? Gumastos lang ako ng ganun. Like sobrang mahal din nga ang nakikita ko. Tapos, yun, medyo ang tawag dyan, naging unstable yung pamemera. Okay? So, nagkaroon ng sabihin natin kaunting semplang yung iba. Pero, yeah, may ibabangon din naman. Okay po, may babangon din naman. Makukuha nyo muli kung ano man yung nagastos. Okay? So, sabi nga natin, meron ditong paparating. Okay? And, ang energy is like, sabihin nating, hindi natin kailangan ipilit or pilitin. Okay? Yes, mahirap. This is like, energy of money flow nga. Okay? Money flow. The Devil. Hindi natin kailangan ipilit po, ha? O kung ano man. Kasi parang nagkaroon ng kaunti ang blockage nung nangyari yung paggastos na yun. Okay? Medyo mahal eh. Nakita ko. This is specific, not for all. Okay? So, wag mong iisipin na, ang hirap na mo bumalik nun na masyadong malaki. No, it's not. Okay? Kung paano mo kasi binitawan yung pera, ganun din siya babalik. Kung ikaw medyo maganit ka nung maganit yung pagbigay mo, pag-alis mo ng pera kasi mahal eh. Ganun din yung pagbalik. Okay? So isipin mo every time, na that's how the money flow works. Oo. Pero hindi pa yun lahat-lahat. Okay? Kung paano mo kasi binitawan yung money, or kung paano mo in-spend yung money mo, ganun din siyang babalik. Okay? Kung yung piso pinanghihinayangan mo, yung piso manghihinayang din sa'yo, bumalik. Parang ganun. Okay? So, sige, kunyari, sample, may bibilihin ka or magpapagas ka, kunyari, dito, sa mas malapit. and yung malayo ay sabihin nating mas mura. Nandito ka na sa Pagasan. Medyo mahal ng kauntian, like dos. Like 2 piso. Makikita ni universe or makikita, the money flow. Okay, like, nanghihinayang ka ba sa 2 pesos? Talagang pupunta ka pa dun sa malayo para lang hindi mo may spend yung 2 pesos na yon, like that. Okay? So, kung hirap na hirap ka na bitawan yung 2 pesos na yon, well, yung 2 pesos na yon, kung hindi mo i-spend, ganun din siya katagal babalik, or ganun din siyang kaganit babalik sa'yo. Hindi nyo gagawing literal, ha? Hindi nyo gagawing literal. Okay? Sabihin natin, ito lang naman hindi na natin kailangan mag-travel papunta doon. Dito naman na, and 2 pesos lang naman to. Ganun. Okay? Money flow. Energies. So, hindi po yun yung mismo talaga at lahat-lahat kung paano tayo nagkakaroon ng magandang money flow. Pero isa na yon. Okay? Isa na yon. Mga earth signs. And no specific signs. No? So, sana nakinig o yung mga ibang zodiac signs, sana tinapos nyo para may naaral kayong kauntian man. No? Pagdating sa money flow. So again, yun ang ating reading for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Goodbye.